Sheikh, if someone from Bangladesh is knowledgeable in Islam and believes in his iman that he won't lose path and believes that he can teach his children as well, and he wants to do dawah in Canada, but better lifestyle is the goal as well, then will taking Canadian citizenship be a sin?
Yes. He should not take the citizenship of a kafir country. He can go, take permanent resident PR, stay there, teach, alhamdulillah, live, earn money, 5-10 years, and then go back. But not to give the Pledge of Allegiance to such a non-Muslim country. He has to be proud of being a Bangladeshi. He has to be proud of being a Muslim and raising the Quran and Sunnah. And okay, you were gonna tell me my passport is the worst passport in the world. It's not the worst, it's one of. But still, you have to have this honor, you have to have this pride in you of being a Muslim, belonging to a nation that has 150 to 100 million Muslims. Ya akhi, why would I look down upon myself just because of money? This is something that we have to readjust and reset once again, and Allah knows best.